Good morning, student. At first, take my salam. Assalamu alaikum. We are all well, Almighty grace of Allah. Thank you overall. Dear student, next class I am going to start a online class. I am in the Abdusai Raghunathpur Secondary School, Zinaidaho, Fado. Today's our lesson voice. Next class we learn to tense. Now I is to you voice. First, what is voice and how kinds of voice? What is voice and how kinds of voice? When a subject active in the and at himself, when subject active and at himself, it is voice. It is voice. There are two kinds of voice. Active and passive. When subject act in himself, it is active voice. Again, when subject act in himself, it is active voice. When object act in himself, it is passive voice. Example, I see it. Active voice. According to law, the voice object subject. Passive voice. This sentence subject I, verb see, object A. Passive voice according to subject, according to law, the active voice to passive voice. First object subject. This sentence object you. No sense. Equal. You subject and object equal. No sense in this voice. Okay, in the law voice. You. See, yes, verb see. It is present form in this present indefinite. According to law of voice, subject verb, auxiliary verb plus by plus object. See, present form. According to the law of voice, you are. After the auxiliary verb, past participle in the principal verb. See, saw, see. After the present form verb, principal verb, by use the preposition. Okay? By subject object. Here subject I, object me. Okay? Dear student, what we are kinds of voice, two kinds of voice, active, passive, formal. When subject act and himself, it is active voice. When passive act in himself, it is passive voice. Okay? Now we are going to start a present indefinite tense a voice. এখন আমরা দেখব প্রেজেন্ট ইনডিফিনিট টেন্সের ভয়েসের কিভাবে করা যায়। ওকে, ফার্স্ট আমাদেরকে যদি ভয়েস চেঞ্জ করতে হয় বা শিখতে হয় তাহলে আমাদের দুটো জিনিস বিশেষ করে প্রয়োজন, সেটা হলো টেন্স এবং ভয়েস, টেন্স এবং ভার্বের লিঙ্ক। ওকে, আচ্ছা প্রেজেন্ট ইনডিফিনাইট টেন্স গঠনটা আমাদের জানতে হবে। স্ট্রাকচার দা প্রেজেন্ট ইনডিফিনাইট টেন্স। প্রেজেন্ট ইনডিফিনাইট প্রেজেন্ট indefinite tense. Structure the present indefinite tense এর voice change. This structure is not equal. Tense structure is plus V1 plus object. Voice structure object subject. Here subject first, voice is the voice, object first. Okay, structure Dear learner, look at the blackboard and I write voice structure and tense structure. Voice structure and tense structure. Okay. This tense indefinite present indefinite tense auxiliary verb do oblique die. Auxiliary verb do oblique die. Voice structure present indefinite tense auxiliary verb am is are. Okay, am is are. I example in this sentence tense I like fish. Voice I like fish. Okay, it is tense in the voice. When this sentence in the voice, first object subject, first object subject. More example and structure. Is plus am oblique is oblique are plus by plus object. Okay. Example. I like fish. It is affirmative. Affirmative example. I structure subject plus am is plus by plus object plus expressive extension. Okay. When send the voice in present indefinite tense of the first object subject. Here subject I, verb like, object fish. First object subject. First object subject. Here object fish. Fish. Auxiliary verb am is are anyone. Auxiliary verb am is are. Okay. Fish. It is third person singular. Is. After the auxiliary verb set up the principal verb past participle. This verb is past participle. Here the verb light. Light past participle light. Night. Look at the blackboard and structure. Structure of the voice present unit tense affirmative. Subject, verb plus verb plus object plus etc. Okay? Fish. Light. Am is the light. Next, verb plus subject, object. Subject, object. So here subject, I, object, me. Dear learner, have you seen the sentence in the blackboard? I write a sentence in the active. I like fish. When saying the voice, passive, past, object, subject, here object, fish. Auxiliary verb am is at anyone is. Next, auxiliary verb principal verb past participle. Principal verb here principal verb lie. Principal verb after the by preposition. Then subject object. Subject here subject I, object me. Okay, I object me. Dear learner, have you learned it in this voice? Yes. Okay. It is an affirmative sentence. When says the negative sentence structure, I write structure on the blackboard. Okay. Negative subject plus auxiliary verb am is are plus not plus V3 plus by plus object. Dear student, write your khata on the structure present in influence the voice sentence negative. Okay. She does not like fish. Okay. She does not like fish. According to the law of voice, object, first object, subject. Here was object fish. Structure, we follow the structure in the voice. Am is are. Fish is. Since the negative sentence, it is negative. Not change in this active to passive. Not. After the auxiliary verb is next not. Here principal verb past participle like. Next by preposition by subject object. Here subject three object Dear learner, I see the voice in this blackboard. Here, she does not like fish. When saying the voice active to passive object, here object is fish. According to law of voice, active voice, here principal verb like this sentence negative is not after the principal verb like here present form like past participle like. Next by preposition subject here, by preposition subject here she object her. Okay, anyone any problem in this sentence? Okay, next item, this sentence interrogative. Interrogative structure the interrogative sentence. Yes. Interrogative. Sentence. This sentence is interrogative. First, use auxiliary verb. First, use auxiliary verb. Am, is, are. Plus is, plus is, plus I, plus object, plus note of interrogation. Note of interrogation. Okay? Do you see me? Do you see me? Delana, I write interrogative sentence on the blackboard. Have you seen it? Yes, okay. Do you see me? It is interrogative sentence. It is interrogative sentence. When send the voice, according to law, the voice first object subject. So it is interrogative sentence first rules auxiliary verb. Here auxiliary verb, tense auxiliary verb do of does. When send the voice auxiliary verb am is are. Am is are. Here subject me. Here object me. When send the voice object subject I after use the auxiliary verb am. First am. Okay. Here principal verb see present form. When send the voice past participle. See, saw, sing. Sing. By subject you, object you. No subject you. Use the note of interrogation is. Okay? Any problem? No. Okay. Jalanan, have you seen it in this sentence? Have you read it? Yes. Now I do the sum what in this sentence. Okay? Voice. Number 3, she does not eat food. Okay. I write on sentences in this blackboard. When you come back in this class, your homework in this 3 sentences. Dear learner, our country has adopted COVID-19. When you essential work in go out in this home, we use mask. When return the home, we work frequently with a phone. Dear learner, you are all well. Goodbye.